right, enough stop screwing around. Let's get on this subway at the Keele Station. A quick ride. We're just gonna kind of get in, and you know, check it out. See how it works. Of course, the VIP entrance. Why not? Beautiful. Film mission special. Let's get the. So quiet here today. Uh-oh, they don't have an elevator going up or an escalator. This guy's selling all sorts of fun stuff. Wonderful. Whoa. Everybody coming in suddenly. It was, yeah, this one is, that's where the escalators, look at how oily those guys are, huh? Just oily, I love it. They're always keeping it well maintained. You need to get these things maintained, right? Otherwise they wear right out. Okay, but while they're maintaining it, you get to get some exercise. Stairs. Oof. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What a great workout. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3. Beautiful. There you go. I've done my gym exercise. I'm ready to go grab myself a ice cream. All right, there you go. Check it out. They had escalators here too. I mean, elevators. I always make a mistake between escalators and elevators. Nice. Very well lit. I give it a thumbs up. And this beautiful view here is very nice. There you go. Kipling, line 2. In case you got lost then. All right, that should be the front of the train. And our train is coming. I'm just gonna go one stop, I think. I'm gonna go find some grocery store. Possibly running meat. But that was I wanna make it super short. Super short. Beautiful. Nice. Nice and easy, beautiful. No more coupons. You're gonna ride for free.
Hyde Park Station. Right at Hyde Park Station.
All right, let's go to the next car. Ready? All right, ready?
Line 2, walking lane.
All right, that's it. The VIP section. Beautiful. There you go. Beautiful.
The next station is Runnymede Station.
Check it out. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Whoa. Oh, no. More stairs. Oh my God, definitely done my share of stairs today. No more, no more. That's it. Cut.